Back to my channel. So today we are going to do the backtesting for option selling. Let's get started with the option chain NSE website, and we'll try to do a price action comparison here side to side. So here I am going to analyze for Friday's market. It was sideways, so Nifty, as you could see. So I'm going to do for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. You can check for Finnifty and Midcap Nifty. As you could see, first half it was downtrend and the second half it was a recovery. So it's a U-shaped recovery in both the cases. Okay. Let's check the open. Open was 400, 25,400. So let me take the cursor. So 400 is the open ATM. So you see it's positive for put side OTM as well as ITM, and for the call side just the ITM was negative while the OTM was positive. Okay, so this is actually a positive decay day. Okay, so why? Because the open and close are almost similar. Okay, so Nifty's one lot size is 75, and then you could calculate the decay here. If the decay is 5, then 5 times 75 is your PNL. Exactly, you can calculate how ITM 21 times 75, 29. So for each OTM and ITM you can calculate separately. Okay, now we will go and check for next expiry as well, that is for 17th. So we'll brush through. So you see not much of a difference. Now we'll check for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty open was 800, 56,800. So here you could see 800 was the open ATM. So negative for both ITM of the call side and OTM, positive for put side. Why? Because you see this one calendar which had a huge buyers has changed the game. Okay, and also the monthly expiry for Bank Nifty, this actually puts pressure in the delta as well as theta value. Okay, now we'll just try to analyze one more part, that is the premium. So this is kind of interesting part where we are going to check how the movement has been occurred here. So first one is 400. We'll take 3 strikes. So first one is 400, and then you could see here long straddle was very good at the start, and then slowly sellers win here. So you could see the decay pattern. Now we'll check for one more strike, that is 500, and then we'll go to 300 as well. So this is 500 where sellers were on top notch and sellers won here. So we'll check for 300 as well. So I'm taking step count of 100 here. So you could see 300, except for ATM. For everything else sellers were very good placed. Okay, now we'll check for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty open was 800, so we'll check for 800, 900 and 700. So first I'm taking is 800. Okay, so let me just refresh it. Okay, so we'll take 56, change to Bank Nifty, 56,800. Here also I'm going to take 56,800, and then you could see from the start itself sellers were top notch, but at the end with this move here, with this move the range has been shown the changes, otherwise they would have ended in profit. So I'm going to take 900 now. 900, not much of a difference. Now we'll take 700 as well. So here you could see how this move has changed the profitability. So here it is more of a profitability here. Still sellers are winning but with less profit. Okay, now let's let me just cancel this. We will go to the overall short range OI, which gives us the idea of how markets can be on Monday. Okay, so you could see here 4.9, 5.2 indicating a sideways view because equal built up in, this is resistance, basically this is support, so equal built up in resistance as well as support. This is the range. We'll check for Bank Nifty. So when you check OTM, 144 and 928 or 92 and 144. So support is looking very strong for Bank Nifty. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you. Keep supporting my channel.